These amazing stories keep coming, just like this one.
In the medical world, what's considered cutting-edge technology is constantly evolving. From treatment options to the very tools that doctors and surgeons use, it's nearly impossible to keep up with the latest and greatest. But that's why the team at Align Alternatives has found success. They help world-class doctors find top-notch devices that make real impacts in the lives of patients.
Align Alternatives is a spine and orthopedic distributorship. We take products from the market, common products or very unique products to surgery for our hospital staff, our hospital teams, and the surgeons that we service. Over the course of time, it became evident to me that there's a lot of up-and-coming companies, a lot of new technology that was coming to market that wasn't provided by the big companies. And so basically it was, we went from selling what we had to sell to selling and providing products that the customer really wanted. Our niche is selling new modalities to take care of patients in different ways, and we train surgeons how to do that, and then we're there while they're doing the procedures, and we help the hospital staff and the surgeons provide better outcomes for their patients. We are the people that get the surgeons involved and train them, and then help them get approved at the different hospitals and different facilities that we work at.
Align Alternatives has their finger on the pulse of the latest in medical advancements, and they serve as the connective tissue between medical practitioners and private companies who are working around the clock to introduce new products into the marketplace.
Cal's been doing it a really long time. He's got a long history within the orthopedic and spine space, has brought new technology, new innovation to the market, understands the dynamics and the challenges that go along with that. So in terms of just having that history and then the relationships that he and his team have built over time, the trust that a surgeon needs to have in a rep that's going to be supporting their cases and making sure that those patient outcomes have the highest probability of being as great as they can.
I was in an automobile accident when I was a teenager, and so over the years I just started having arm pain, found out that the anterior fusion that I had didn't fuse well enough to alleviate the problem. The doctors I work with suggested that I do a posterior fusion with this new product. I was like, well, sounds like the best outcome for me. It worked out perfectly for me. The pain was alleviated immediately. There are always new technologies that are coming out that give the patient a better outcome, and that's really what we all work for. So it's vital that we have a rep in the room and they actually teach them how to put it together correctly. They help us a lot. We love our reps. I mean, we couldn't do it without it.
Her job is very physical. For her, having a problem in her neck, that it affects her arms, and Donna's a phenomenal nurse. She's been a team member at Flower Mound Hospital for a long time, and she's very valued there, and being able to fix that issue relatively quickly, it's very satisfying. It's great to see her up and moving and doing what she likes to do, and she's a fighter too.
Align Alternatives view themselves as partners with the doctors and surgeons who they serve, and the feeling is mutual.
They're easy to work with. They're really pliable and flexible, and they're trusted. They're long-standing relationships in the market. They're known to bring innovation to their customers. So in an effort to quickly accelerate our ability to penetrate certain markets and reach certain physicians, a company like Align's a great partner for us.
The passion that we bring, it's great for our surgeons and the customers that we have to appreciate what we do, even though we are the lowest person on the totem pole when it comes to being in surgery, and the team, we are the grunts, but we enjoy every second of it.
For more information about Align Alternatives, go to alignalternatives.com or check out our website, thebalancingAct.com.